President Trump's tariff bomb has shaken global markets, and new analysis suggests the likelihood of a U.S. recession has climbed to 45%.
트럼프 대통령의 관세 폭탄이 전 세계 금융시장에 폭락을 몰고 온 가운데 미국의 경기 침체 가능성이 45%로 높아졌다는 분석이 나왔습니다. Okay, so two things going on. First of all, this is quite serious for the U.S. economy. They are predicting an economic recession. I've heard several economists and people who, have a say,
Yes.
say this. So I guess this is a real good possibility.
Yes, it is. So they're looking at 1 year into the future. 네, 앞으로 12개월 안에 이런 침체 가능성에 대한 이야기인데요. So last month, Goldman Sachs said the possibility was 35%.
Okay.
35%였는데요. This month, because of the tariffs, they have raised it to 45%.
Wow, it just keeps going higher and higher.
It keeps going up, and there is worse news. So JP Morgan and Barclays, which are other financial institutions, they were looking at U.S. economic growth.
Okay.
경제 성장. And they think that there will be a contraction. 역성장.
Oh.
So they think that it will actually get smaller this year by about 0.1 to 0.3%.
Okay.
So it'll get a little smaller is their prediction.
So basically, it's not looking good for the U.S. economy. I know that for a fact that a lot of people are very scared right now.
Yes, if anyone has stocks or investments, the stock market has obviously taken
plummeted.
a big dive.
Yes.
But then the economy at large, not stock prices, but think of the production amount, what factories can make, what people can buy.
Right.
That is what they're expecting to maybe shrink a little bit.
Okay. So because of this situation, the possibility of an economic recession is growing higher and higher. So there's speculation that they're going to have interest rate cuts soon.
Yes, that 금리 인하 we've been talking about for a while now by the Fed, the 연방준비제도. They are, of course, in charge of cutting interest rates. Originally, they thought maybe they will cut interest rates 2 to 3 times this year.
Okay.
But now some analysts are expecting that there might be 5 times this year.
Okay.
And each cut will be 0.25 percentage points. 0.25 percentage points 정도. 네.
That's quite a lot.
5차례.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, they have to, I guess, because of the situation.
It is something people are asking. Is Trump doing this
On purpose?
to force the Fed into this action?
Yes.
Of course, there is no official statement on that, but that is one opinion that some analysts have.
Yeah, it's true. A lot of people are really kind of debating and having these discussions about what is Trump really trying to do?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so they are forecasting an economic recession. 경기 침체죠. Recession is spelled recession. Yeah.
Yes. So recession, if you look at this word recess, R-E-C-S-S.
E-S-S, yes.
R-E-C-E-S-S. This means to stop or take a rest.
Yes.
So it's like the economy stops moving forward.
Right. It's supposed to kind of go forward, but it kind of like stops and
Yes.
slows down. Okay, very good. President Trump's tariff bomb has shaken global markets, and new analysis suggests the likelihood of a U.S. recession has climbed to 45%.